What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. And this video today, it's all about filmmaking. Not only filmmaking, this is about the content creation. Now, I understand in a widely phase, content creation, it's a really playing crucial role when it comes to equipment. And when talking about equipment, the most kind of equipment which is needed so many times, I know all the equipments are needed, but this is like the top notch, like video lights. You know, sometimes you're like out there somewhere and your camera is not Sony, because we all know Sony is the best camera when it comes to low noise. But when it comes to other kind of cameras, you need a good video lighting, so as you can have a perfect video which you can say, okay, I can share this video with people so as they can watch it instead of having a noisy video. Now today we're gonna get started throughout Ulanzi video lights, and these lights, they're really cool, and I'll leave a link down below on the description where I got them. So voila, there we have it. This is called the Ulanzi VL49 RGB. Now this kind of light, you can program it depending on you how much you want it, and it has a bigger Kelvin, which we're gonna see it what it got, and we're gonna see how it works. It's a really nice improvement throughout the lineup of Ulanzi mini lights, and this is a most kind of portable light which I recommend it to you guys. But before I do like a lot of recommendation for you guys so as you can use it, let us just unbox it and see what's packed inside. So guys, here we have it. Let us just unbox them and see what's packed inside, but they're all the same version. So yeah, first thing first, let's see what's in here. It's really kind of great to see what's packed, and yeah, what we get throughout here, what is it? These are paperwork or qualified certificate from Vijum, or you can call it Ulanzi, and another kind of stuff. These are the paperwork throughout here, and it's really kind of cool throughout here. So yeah, another kind of stuff. This is the paperwork, main paperwork, to see what's packed inside and know what's goody, how you can use your video light, and it's really coming in handy. It uses the USB Type-C, which is really kind of great for charging it, which I think it's a perfect move for this kind of lighting, because USB Type-C, it's like our main charging nowadays, and it's really cool. So jumping out through unboxing this kind of bad boy and see what's inside, it's really good. Whoa, this is a really perfect lighting. As you can see at the back here, the way they kept it, this stands for RGB, so the light is capable for RGB, and you can control throughout here in the display. You can, I think you can decrease the Kelvin. It has 9,000 Kelvin, and it's really good. And you can even change the intensity of lighting, which is really dope. So as you can see right now, I've turned it on. I can decrease the lighting, I think, throughout downside, which it would be really cool, and you can increase the lighting depending on you how much you want it, which it's really top notch. I kind of vibe with that. It's really awesome. And on this side, I think that's it. And changing the RGB, now you can I think it's possible to change that, or just press these buttons, or let us see how you can change it. Oh, you hold the button, which is good. So you can see here, you can change the RGB depending on you how much you want it. Like you can hold these two buttons and they can interchange. Right now it's flashing. Holding it again, it's returning to the normal lighting, which is really dope. So it's the same as this one too, just the same, nothing different here. And the lighting conditioning, it's really good. We're gonna see it on the video side and see what's happening. And another kind of stuff I didn't talk about it, they're magnetic. So if you have a field of magnet, you can attach them, and we're gonna see how it holds up on the magnetic side and see what's happening. So yeah, testing out the magnetic, you can just attach it here and it stays steady just like that, but it's sliding because it's just have to find that kind of angle. But you can just attach it on your magnet side, and it's really cool. So yeah, that's how it works. And you can see here at the back how much it is. You can just keep it here and you're good to go. So guys, this is our video light from Ulanzi. It's a really nice one, to be honest. As you saw, the way you can change or interchange the RGB at a glance, which is really awesome. Now it's a live right now for using it throughout our video. Now I'm gonna shut off that light so as we can use our video light, so as you can see the difference. So yeah, and what's a goodie, we're gonna turn on our lighting, and you can see the difference, man. It's really cool. This is the video light from Ulanzi, and it's really awesome. Let's be honest, you really need this type of lighting, and let me say you have two lighting, you can just use them really greatly. Now what's good about it, let us just interchange different variety of colors so as you can see what's happening, because this kind of video lighting, it's an RGB, so you can get bunch of features. Right now it has turned to be red, so if you like to shoot your videos throughout different kind of occasion, throughout like red photography or a film based, and you want something like this, it's really coming in handy, and you can interchange depending on you how much you want it and giving it different colors. See, I'm changing different variety of colors, and it's really cool. Now we're going to a different variety of color, just like that. Just hold the buttons, you can see I'm changing different variety of colors, just like that, guys. It's really awesome. So guys, I'm using right now the video lighting, which is really cool, the Ulanzi one, and I have an extra one here, which is really kind of cool. So grabbing two of them, it's really important for your video, and it will give you much better enhancement throughout the video lighting. Let me say I'm turning this on, and you can see right now how much the changes through my video quality. It's really standing out, and you can even give it different variety of colors, or you can give it warm light. On this side you can give it the normal light, the full bright light. On this side you can give it different variety of colors, because it's an RGB, you can play with it around and get a best out of it, which is great. Even if you want those kind of shots of this way, you can just keep them here steady, and you can have your top shot really cool. Now we're gonna just jump in throughout the specification of this kind of video lighting, so as we can see how much they hold up. So yeah, talking about specification of the video lighting, it has a color temperature of 2500 Kelvin up to 9000 Kelvin, which is really remarkable. Number of LEDs, there's 60 LEDs inside, which it has a CRI 95 plus. It has a beam angle of 60 degrees, a brightness of 800 lux, and a lighting distance up to 5 meters, and a battery capacity of 2000 milliamp of battery, and a battery working time, it can work for 2 hours at the maximum output or at a maximum workload, and it works for 10 hours at low output, or you can say at low mode, and it has a power of 6 watts, which is really kind of cool. That's what's up about the video of today. I hope you got the info clear. This is a really kind of perfect lighting, to be honest, and I recommend to you guys. Where I got it at AliExpress. Links will be down below in the description, and you can check them out. The video of today is not sponsored by AliExpress, but I decided to give a shot and to see what's happening with this video lighting, how much they can keep up, because sometimes we're out here using this kind of lighting, normal lights, which I used to. As you can see, this is my old lighting, as you can see, guys, and I have just to charge it so many times, and it has external battery, which I can remove it and keep it back, and it has some batteries slot which you can keep the batteries and another kind of stuff. You can interchange between warm light to fill light, and you can see the LEDs, which if I'm gonna use this one, that means, man, the video will be scattering. That's why I'm using this kind of field, which it's like softbox, which I can keep the lighting inside, so as I can enhance full lighting. But with this kind of lighting, the portable one, they're covering you up throughout that kind of situation, which those kind of video lighting, they're good, but this one is smallest but mighty, which can sort you out throughout variety of situations. So yeah, guys, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the video lighting. Do you really need to invest on the video lighting, or you're like, nah man, I just don't want to invest throughout lighting? But trust me guys, lighting plays a big role. So yeah guys, up to the next one. Peace.